Okay. Hi guys. So we have a really interesting one to do this week. We are doing a bonus. So this isn't actually a paycheck. This is bonus and it is from my GST. So in where we are in Canada, we get GST per household. And when I did my taxes in March, they came back saying that I had overpayment from my GST. So I paid that amount, and that amount was pretty high. And then this month they sent it back. And when I called the number to talk to them about it for benefits, they said that it was just returned, that I don't actually owe anything and that I can keep the money. So we are going to budget that, which is such a blessing. So it's April 9th, 2021. I really wasn't expecting to get this back. So this is, especially with everything that's going on, I'm so grateful for this, and can't even tell you how this is going to be so helpful. Okay, so income is GST, and wait for this. Ready? $985 that I had just paid them last month and thought it was gone forever, but it was not. 985. It's a very strange month for income. I don't really know what's going on, but knock on wood, it's all blessings, and I will accept them with open arms. So for this one, we are padding our sinking funds. That is what this one is going to, and we're going to do some savings as well. So for sinking funds, let's see here. So we're going to give the pool some money. We have to open that up soon. The pool's going to get 100. I think the long weekend in May, we're going to try to open it up around there, depending on what the weather's doing. It's an outdoor in-ground pool, so we like to take full advantage of it, even though we are quite far north and it is quite cold here. We do want to get as much of pool season as we can. And Christmas, we're gonna put that in. Christmas is only, what, 8 months away? Terrifying. We just did that. Christmas is gonna get 100. And birthdays. Oh, we got a sad baby. Don't worry, their dad is with them. They're not hanging out by themselves. They are fully covered. He is fully capable. Okay, so birthdays, we're gonna do $50 because this is including Mother's Day and Father's Day. And I have almost covered all of the Mother's Day gifts, Father's Day gifts, as well as birthdays up into, I believe, August. So we're doing pretty well. We just have we have 3 September guys to cover, November, December, and then 2 big ones in January. So we're getting there. We're getting there. Clothing is gonna get 35 so that we can get some summer clothes. Right now with this lockdown, we can't actually buy any clothes in store unless you do curbside pickup. So I'm just kind of letting the clothing envelope go up, because I'm hopefully thinking that once the lockdown's over, we can pick up some clothes maybe at a good price. I don't know. I've been searching for a lot of boutiques in our area to be able to shop local, and hopefully I can figure out some that do curbside pickup as well. Okay, so spider spray. If you saw my last videos, you will know that the May portion of spider spray is completely funded, which is amazing. We are moving on to the September portion, so we need 200 plus a tip for the company that does it. I think it's a family-owned business, so I want to make sure he's getting a good tip. And then the spider spray envelope will turn into snowplow envelope to cover our driveway plowing that we get in the wintertime. We live where it's very cold, up north in Canada. So we want to make sure that someone is coming to help break down the snow. Okay, so that's gonna get 20. And I'm going to get 20, which feels weird to do, but I'm doing it. I find every time I budget, let me know if you guys are the same, because like the kids' envelopes, my partner's envelopes, I'm so happy to stuff them. I want to pack them full to the brim. And then when it comes to my own envelopes, I just never do. I put them last, and I know I shouldn't. Okay, partner is going to get 20. And the girls aren't going to get anything on this one, just because the child credit benefit, I still don't know what it's called. I really should look that up. They get money from that for their envelopes, and as well as the support for learners, that's pretty much all going towards them because it is intentionally for them. So we are going to get $20 each, and then the girls will not. I have 2 girls, a 3-year-old and a 1-year-old. So they don't need anything too expensive right now, which is awesome. House is 25. But for the girls, I do want to start. They have a savings account. They have a school account for college and university and things like that. But I do want to make sure that we have a good amount saved up for if they ever want to take like sports or classes or lessons or what have you. I know as they get older, they get a lot more expensive. So we want to make sure we've got a little bit of a head start with that. Okay, holidays are going to get, let's see, holidays are going to get 20. Got a lot of 20s going on here. Okay, let's do fun. Still hoping that we'll do some fun stuff this summer. 25. Are you guys in Ontario? If you are, let me know. Let me know any fun things you know of. Saving is going to get 30. So this is, if you've seen my other envelopes if you've seen my other videos and you know how indecisive I am, you know that this is a saving fund for something. I just haven't narrowed down what I want it to be yet. I think it's going to be bikes for the family. I think that's what we're aiming for, because that'll help us get out. We'll make sure that we get one of those little carrier things that trail on the back of the bike, so the girls will be safe. My 3-year-old already has a little pedal bike, so she's good there. She won't need another one yet. But basically any way that we can take advantage of the outdoors. I did want to get a twin bed and then give the toddler bed to the 1.5-year-old, but I do want to wait until the younger one's a little older. I want to take full advantage of the crib while I can. Okay, car maintenance. Let's see. Car maintenance, let's do 30. And then hygiene, we're gonna do 10. And then that's it for the sinking funds. So let's add that up. 100 plus 100, 50, 35, 20, 20, 20, 25, 20, 25, 30, 30, 10. So many numbers. So that is 485. What even is this? So if we do 985 minus 485, that leaves us with 500. So this is going into my TFSA, all 500 of it, and hopefully we can earn some interest on it. I'm gonna let that sit in there for a while and grow and grow and grow. So I'm very excited about this. This is one of the hardest things, has been trying to pad my TFSA, especially when I feel guilty that things should be going for debt payments. But this month, my student loans are already going to be getting double of what I owe. So I feel pretty confident. I feel like I'm going to keep it this way. I'm very excited. Okay. So if you guys have any bonus incomes this month, let me know. And let me know how you're doing. If you're in Ontario, how are things going? Are you okay? Talk to me. Leave a comment down below. We're all in this together. We can do it. Okay, so thanks for hanging out, guys. And the cash stuffing will be the next video. And you can see all this going into the envelopes. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye.